Hello there, this is Finfornier. Here's more Mass Effect 2007, exploring systems and seeing if I can gather more crap from any planets so we can land on. So currently, system Artemis, well, cluster Artemis Tau, and did Knossos last time. I'll go to one of the others that remain well, I've gone through everything mostly before, well, getting missions done, but now I'm just going through everything before doing the final missions. So yeah, let's see, Sparta. This is Sparta! Or is it madness? Or a little bit of both. Either way, this isn't the Firefly. So, I don't know. Tremonre? Something like that. Tremonre is a dwarf planet composed of light magnesium silicates with deposits of aluminum. Its surface is covered by wide swaths of ancient dark basaltic lava, possibly indicating the world was created through an impact with some other body in the system. Tremonre's magnetic field is non-existent. This makes it impossible for ships to dump drive charge from orbit. That said, Tremonre's minuscule gravity allows even cruiser-sized vessels to land safely for direct grounding. Orbital period 1.0 Earth years. Radius 1,528 kilometers. Day length 1.0 Earth years. Totally locked. Atmospheric pressure 0.00 Earth atmospheres. Well, that sucks. Surface temperature 55 Celsius, that's a bit warm. Surface gravity 0.1 G, so slightly less than the moon. Alrighty then. So let's see, asteroid belt, anything shiny out here that we haven't gotten yet? Usually if there's an asteroid belt, there we go, there's a blinky thing right here. So is it one we got? Okay, a collection of small siliceous asteroids loosely bound together by gravity. Radius 12 kilometer. Survey. Prothean data disks recovered while scanning the asteroid field in the Sparta system. You found signs of habitation. A recon team was sent to investigate one of the larger asteroids. The rock had a small functioning biodome, but no sign of anyone still living there. There was, however, a data console with an intact Prothean data disk inside. Wow, someone looked in a CD player on a Prothean biodome thing there. And there was something. So, Edolus, one we can land on. Edolus is a terrestrial planet with an atmosphere of carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Edolus' surface is covered by wide deserts of silicate sand, with only a few areas of igneous rock highlands to break up the abrasive dust-choked wind. Edolus' orbit is congested with debris thrown inwards by the gravity of the gas giant Ontamalka. Due to a high rate of meteor impacts, exploration is highly dangerous. Orbital period 2.7 Earth years, radius 5,729 kilometers, day length 50.3 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure 0.8 Earth atmospheres, surface temperature -1 Celsius, surface gravity 0.87 G, so Venetian gravity. Well, I'll land there again later. Fairly certain I did that before, but yeah, let's see here. We have another one here. So, Altaia, something like that. Altaia is an unusually large terrestrial world with a trace atmosphere of methane and ammonia. The surface is frozen and mainly composed of sandstone and other sedimentary rocks with deposits of iron and chlorides. Judging by the sedimentary composition of the crust, it appears that Altaia once possessed an atmosphere thick enough to support some form of liquid. What cataclysm stripped the atmosphere and left the planet to freeze is not currently known. Orbital period 18.1 Earth years. Radius 11,190 kilometers. Day length 47.2 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure 0.20 Earth atmospheres. Surface temperature negative 136 Celsius. Surface gravity 1.7 G. Okay, and let's see here. Oh wait, that's that one, so this is this one. Okay. Ontamalka. Ontamalka is a large hydrogen-helium gas giant with traces of chlorine and sulfur in the atmosphere. Its massive gravity well tugs many asteroids from the outer belt inwards, past the orbit of Altair and Aeolus, and eventually settle into the inner belt. Ontamalka's orbit is congested with hundreds of captured moons. Most last only a few thousand years before being ejected, dragged down into the atmosphere, or ripped apart by tidal forces and added to the gas giant's immense rings. Attempting to navigate this chaotic environment is hazardous at best. Ships without military-grade kinetic barriers are likely to suffer catastrophic impacts of doom. Orbital period 39.1 Earth years. Radius 72,492 kilometers. Day length 17.7 Earth hours. Okay. My birds are acting up. I might need to check on them, but I think they'll probably calm down. But let's see if there's any shiny things. Doesn't seem like there are. Come on, really? There's nothing in all this? Really? I might need to not do the landing part. I need to maybe check on the birds, so let's just do this here. Alsages, or Alsages. A small distant Alsages is a small terrestrial with a trace atmosphere of methane and argon. The surface is composed of water ice and calcium with occasional deposits of light metals. During the Alliance pirate suppression campaign in the 2160s, the Batarian Eluam Ran Parath was caught with his frigate Tuneron grounded at Alsages for drive discharge. When challenged by the cruiser Hyderabad, Ranpara refused to surrender. The Tuneron was destroyed attempting to take off. The debris is strewn across the southern hemisphere. Orbital period 73.8 Earth years. Radius 4,926 kilometers. Day length 23.3 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure 0. Earth atmosphere's surface temperature negative 193 Celsius. Surface gravity is 0.7 G. So there's that. Okay, the birds have calmed down. Really, there's no shiny thing in this entire freaking thing. Come on, nothing? Nothing? There should be at least something, but there isn't. Okay, well, to Aeolus, I guess we'll go. Maybe I will land. Let's go. But yeah, the babies, they were acting. I think it was probably Casso flew to the floor and probably climbed up on the ladders that I put there. Yeah, I haven't taken Caden anywhere. Let's get his abilities leveled up. Not really gonna bother with giving him gear though. He's just gonna go crispy, but I don't know. Might as well level things up just in case so I don't have to do it later. Yep, there's that sound. So yeah, let's max out this crap. Yeah. Come on. There we go with that. And lift. Yeah, okay. My word. Yeah, this isn't gonna do much though with being in a crispification zone, but you know, let's max out the barrier. That would be funny if that were actually possible for him to survive that. Oh, come on. So there's that. I don't know. Still 18 more points to go. Come on. Okay. Yeah, let's save. And then let's look on the chart. Doom, so distress signal, anomaly, debris. Alright, this would be a thresher maw, wouldn't it? Alright, let's get over there and see how badly we can do. Area map. Did we get another thing here? I don't know. It said area map for some reason. Maybe there was something right at the edge. This looks like a great place for a thresher maw. Or did we do this one already? Because I don't remember the sounds here. So I might not have. Yeah, this... Yeah, oh wait, yeah, this is the... We already did this with Admiral Tohoku, didn't we? We took care of the thresher maw. Is there a way to shut this thing off? Like make it go boom or something? Get out of the way. Like, I'm pretty sure there should have been a way to disable that so you don't get more people landing into the thresher maw nest. But I suppose that was the thing, wasn't it? Yeah, everyone's crispy because of that. Alright, so that one we did already. Okay, so we did that. Alright, anomaly though, anything that says anomaly is one we obviously haven't been to. I suppose if it has a name, it's one we have been to, right? That should have boomed it if it was going to be able to. Instead it's like GoldenEye where everything's either made of nitroglycerin or adamantium. It's either indestructible or super destructible. There's no in between. There's only doom or non-doom. Doom, 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 de-doom, de-doom. Extra crispy. Or in this case, not. But here we go. Onward to whatever this is. Is it going to be Geth? Or another thresher maw of doom? Sooner or later, time will tell. And it's looking like a place the thresher maw could be. Crunch-tastic. No thresher maw as of this second, anyway. Looks like it's going to be another corpse or something, right? Maybe a Turian thing or something. Well, it's a Solarian, but will they have a Turian metal? Or something or another. Yeet. ID tag. You found Captain Millen's identification tag. However, how it ended up here is impossible to know for sure. I think it arrived along with him. Just maybe. Anyway, onward to the debris thing of doom over there. Crunch, there you go. Any more thresher maws? There might be other things on the planet that aren't on the chart. Oh my word. It only has like, you can move in 15 or 45 degree turns basically only. I almost rather play a helicopter simulator than this for the vehicle moving thing anyway. I like Mass Effect generally, just it is a little difficult with this stuff here. Anyway, here we go with the thingamajig. Let's save. Yes, come on. Alright, let's see, where's the thing to scan or whatever? Ah, there we are. Salvage. Manual bypass of doom. Oh my word. Yeah, this is gonna be a pain. Ah, come on. Fine, stupid Omnigel. I'm not gonna bother with that. Okay. There's that. And let's return to Normandy. So, okay, that was the SPARTA system in the Artemis Tau cluster. And yeah, I don't like that version of Frogger that much. Frogger's okay, although it's a little depressing in its own way. I didn't need to press M there. But yeah, let's save since I like saving and not being stuck there. Just in case. Anyway, save early, save often. That was the maxim from the 90s, pretty much, when the computers crashed constantly. Anyway, take care, and try not to go crazy.